Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit your website in Hostinger. Whether you're adding content, updating design or modifying your pages, I will walk you through the steps to make the changes on your site. So let's dive in. First of all, head over to www.hostinger.com by using the web browser on your mobile device. And from there, click on the hamburger option, from which you will get an option saying login, and make sure that you are logged into your Hostinger account. And once you are logged in, you will be directed to the Hostinger's dashboard. From here, click on the hamburger option, which is located at the top left corner of the screen. And here you can see an option saying websites. And when you click on it, you will be redirected to a page where you can see all the websites which you have subscribed to and are active. From there, you can see an option saying edit website. So simply click on it. Once you are in the website builder, you will see your website design. To edit text, images or section, just click on the part that you want to modify. And after making all your changes, it's always a good idea to preview your website. On the website builder, simply click the preview button to see how it looks. And once you are satisfied with the edits, don't forget to click save or publish to make your changes live. And that's it, you have successfully edited your website in Hostinger. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.